Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the no internet found error on the Riot Client so you can get back to playing Valorant or League of Legends. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for this error is that an old instance of the Riot Client is stuck running in the background, confused about your connection. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. In the Processes tab, scroll down and look for anything named Riot Client, Valorant, or League of Legends. Right-click on each of them and select End Task to force them to close completely. Now find your Riot Client shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Often, just giving it admin permissions is enough to bypass the connection block. If your restart didn't work, we need to clear out your computer's internet cache so it can find a fresh path to the Riot servers. Go to your Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is crucial. We are going to type two simple commands. First, type ipconfig //flush DNS and hit Enter. You should see a message saying the cache was successfully flushed. Next, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter. This resets your network adapter software. You will need to restart your computer after this step. If you are still stuck, your ISP's default servers might be blocking Riot. We will switch to Google's public servers. Open your control panel and go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select the circle that says Use the following DNS server addresses. In the Preferred box, type 8.8.8.8. In the Alternate box, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK on both windows to save. This often instantly fixes the connection. And that's it. You now know how to reconnect to the Riot Client and get back into the game. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.